Yesterday, I told you, I'm starting from zero. No money, no skills. And honestly, I thought, maybe this is just another failure. Day one was bad. Really bad. I created my first gig, and then I waited. And waited. And waited. But nothing happened. No clicks, no messages, just silence. And that silence, it hits different. Because in that moment, you start questioning everything. Am I wasting my time? Is this even real? Or am I just fooling myself? I almost quit. I'm not even joking. I was this close to shutting everything down. But then, something inside me said, try one more time. So today, I didn't start again. I started smarter. I opened chatgpt, but this time, I didn't ask random questions. I asked the right question. How can I stand out when I have nothing? And the answer was simple. Value. So I changed everything. My title, my description, my approach. But the most important thing, I did something most beginners don't do. I worked for free. Yeah, I created a sample. No one asked for it. No guarantee it would work. But I did it anyway. Because I realized, if no one trusts me yet, I have to give them a reason. So I uploaded it again. And this time, I didn't expect anything. But then, a few hours later, something happened. My phone buzzed, and for a second, I froze. I didn't open it immediately, because deep down, I was scared. What if it's nothing again? But then, I opened it, and there it was. A message. Not money, not an order, but a real person asking about my service. And in that moment, everything changed. Because now, this isn't just an idea anymore. It's real. Someone noticed. Someone clicked. Someone cared. And maybe, just maybe, this is the beginning. Not $10,000, not success yet, but progress. Real progress. And tomorrow, I'm going to turn this into my first dollar. This is day 2. And trust me, day 3 is going to be different. If you're watching this, stay with me, because this journey is just getting started.